Hey, Orange Group, this is sort 31, and you actually have three patterns, although they don't all show on the top there, but you need three different colors. So I'm going to start with our first color. You have O's in all of your words, but the O's don't always make the same sound. So today we're going to start with O-I. When O and I are put together, they make the oi sound. So for example, point makes the oi sound, point. Soil makes the oi sound, soil. Spoil, don't let your food spoil. Noise, noise, it's too much noise. Join, I hear the oi sound. Would you like to join us? Coil, coil, it's like a spring, like real tiny little curls together. Coil. Foil, that's that silver things that you might put over like a dish in your oven. Foil. Moist, moist means that something is a little, just a teeny bit wet. Joint, we are having a joint birthday party. Two of us are having it at the same time together. Boil, oi, do you like to boil water? Voice, Mrs. Edwards lost her voice. Oi. Coin, which coin do I need? Broil, broil is very similar to boil, except there's an R. Broil is when it's really, really, really super hot in your oven. Oil, look at that. Boil, broil, and oil all have to do with cooking, and they have oil all in them, all of those. And the last one down here with the OI is choice. What is your choice? So I hear the oi sound in all of them. That's a lot. Oh my. Go ahead and switch colors. And now we have OY, also making the oi sound. That's kind of tricky. So for example, boy makes the oi sound. Soy, some of us have to drink soy milk. Joy, it is a joy. I hear the oi. Toy, do you like to play with your toy? I think that might be it for the OY. So we have the OI making the oi sound, OY making the oi sound. Now we have to go to regular old O's. And O's in the next category are all going to make the O sound, but there's different ways that they make them. For example, whole, I hear the O, but there's an E on the end. So the E makes it say the O, whole. Cloak, down here, I hear the O sound, but it's an OA that makes it cloak. Stole is very similar to whole, has an E on the end. Who stole the cookie? Same thing with choke. I have the E on the end, which makes us say the vowel O, choke. Loan is like cloak. Oops. Loan is like cloak. It has the OA. And then lastly, bowl. I hear the O, bowl, but it's an OW. Weird. So all this last pattern, they're kind of weird ones. They make the O sound, but they make it in different ways. Okay, Orange Group, make sure you take a picture of this and make sure you study.